How to prepare anti-aging garlic cream. Tightens sagging skin and removes wrinkles. To prepare the recipe, we need 10 cloves of garlic. We peel garlic. Garlic fights wrinkles and prevents their appearance. Garlic delays the signs of skin aging because it contains antioxidants. Put garlic cloves in a saucepan. Add a cup of water. Put the garlic on the stove to boil for 5 minutes. After boiling garlic, grind it. Put the boiled garlic in a bowl. Crush boiled garlic with water using an electric grinder. Now we got the garlic mixture. Filter the garlic mixture using a strainer. Add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Mix well to dissolve the cornstarch. Pour the mixture into a saucepan. Then put the mixture on a low heat. Keep stirring until you get a creamy mixture. Now we got garlic cream. Divide the garlic cream into 2 parts. Add to the quantity 1 teaspoon of honey. Honey moisturizes the skin and prevents the appearance of wrinkles. Mix the ingredients well. Keep this mixture in a small jar. You can keep it in the fridge for longer. Apply this cream to the skin of your face and neck. You can apply it to wrinkles around the eyes. Leave this cream on your skin for 30 minutes. Then wash your skin. Repeat this cream 3 times a week. You will get tight skin from the first use. The wrinkles will disappear completely from the first week. Now we will prepare the second cream. Add 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel to the remaining garlic cream. Mix the ingredients well. Add a teaspoon of almond oil. You can replace almond oil with vitamin E. Mix the ingredients well. Now we got a creamy mixture. Keep this cream in a small jar, then store it in a cool place or in the refrigerator. Note: these creams do not have the smell of garlic. Apply this cream to your face before going to sleep. Massage your skin for a minute. Leave this cream on your face overnight and wash your skin in the morning. Repeat this cream every evening. I guarantee you amazing results from the first week. Wrinkles and fine lines will disappear from your skin forever. Thank you for watching this video.